Hi, my name is Mark Angel Anday. I'm 19. I'm patient and dedicated who enjoy helping students learn and supporting their achievement. My strength, I have patience and ability to work with students who need extra support and also have teamwork. Teamwork with teachers and students to need achieve them goal. My weaknesses, I'm not confident at public speaking, but I'm eager to learn and improve myself. I'm looking for opportunities to practice and receive feedback to help become effectively communicator. I'm passionate about education and dedicate to make a positive impact on students' lives. My energy and love for teaching and would like create an engaging, motivating learning environment for students. In 5 years, I see myself growing as an educator possible, taking on more responsibilities like lead, teaching, or mentoring. I'm excited to learn and contribute school community. I handle my stress by staying organized and focused, work well in a team by communicating openly and supporting each other. When faced challenge, I stay positive and find solutions that benefit that student. I'm passionate about teaching and dedicate in helping students grow. I am applying to be a student assistant to gain experience, develop my skills, support the school community. One thought decision as a student may be balancing my own schoolwork with helping others. It prioritize tasks, communicate with students and teachers, and make all a decision on myself. I deal with my problems by staying in calm and thinking critically and seeking help when needed. I also try to learn and improve to motivate myself.